A petroleum company's strategic growth objectives are often attained through the formulation and execution of development programs. The development programs contain individual projects that must be successful so that the program can meet its cost, schedule, and production targets. What the project management team needs to understand to successfully plan and execute a project is how programs are developed to attain the goals of a strategic development. Groups of projects are planned and sequenced to meet the objectives of a program. Individual projects are identified, planned, and executed to meet their cost, schedule, and production targets. This module is divided into 4 subsections. We will look at how petroleum companies manage their growth from the highest level strategy down to individual projects. We will look at petroleum development, program management, project management, and then look at a specific project development system. In each subsection, we will explore the methods, activities, and deliverables needed to effectively manage industrial-type developments, programs, and projects in the petroleum industry. Programs and projects are complex endeavors that, if not carefully formulated and executed, will frequently overrun cost and schedule and have poor production attainment. If the project management team does not follow a structured stage-gate methodology and complete the necessary activities in each stage of development, a project will be very difficult to control. The methods, activities, and tools presented in this module represent best practice for industrial projects in the petroleum industry. As programs develop, the new information gained over time often leads to changes in the scope, timing, and priority of the projects in the program. Additionally, the projects in a program are in different stages of development. This leads to a dynamic environment that is challenging to manage. The program management methods and tools covered in this module will help both the program manager and individual project teams deal with the ever-changing conditions. For example, to minimize change during construction, the early stages of project development, known as front-end loading, must be thoroughly completed. That is, the data used in design, the engineering deliverables completed, and plans for execution must be carefully validated, developed, and verified to avoid change. Late changes in the scope of work will lead to additional cost, extended schedules, and poor operability. The methods, tools, and skills outlined in this module will prepare team members for success. This e-learning course discusses the topics shown here.